don't ask people who are sleeping for advice. Don't ask those around you who are not understanding where you are to give you advice on where you should go. This is the time for you to go within. This is the time to, again, ask yourself what it is that I truly want, what it is that my soul wants. This is a time to close off for a moment, people around you, not like close off and don't talk to them, but spend some time alone every day. It's like 1 hour, 2 hours. It doesn't matter, but spend some time alone, because you're getting a lot of downloads.